if it might my hair grow, I'm gonna put this nasty thing in my hair every 2 weeks. I see it, I want it, I buy it, I try it. I want long hair, so here we go. Ayurvedic shampoo. This recipe is from Curly Proverbs. Black soap. And disclaimer, y'all, forgive me for having the TV on, but I did input some voiceovers, but some of the original audio I did keep for ASMR purposes, low-key noisy ASMR purposes, but also genuine excitement for how I felt. Okay? Alright, back to the video. I enjoyed cutting this. That was a little difficult, but this is what it looks like. To me, I almost want to smell like a crayon. And this is a real review. Like, I'm giving it to you raw. I'm a very straightforward person. Me trying this for the first time. I've never made any hair products ever. So I'm excited to be trying this Ayurvedic lifestyle. At this moment, I realized, why did you pick this small jar, girl? Get your boiled water. Also, recipe and description below. Yeah, this part low-key grossed me out a little. My infused oil concoction, all and truly, just throw whatever oils you got in a jar. Just make sure you put fenugreek seeds in it. Yeah, forget this. Take the top off if you have this brand of vitamin E, y'all. Okay. I like how thick these products are, though. My hair needs some serious help. I'm just trying to see what y'all working with. You feel me? It's avocado oil. Oh no, look at this. I'm a freaking mess. Look at this. And it's like dead center in the middle of my shirt. How did I do this? It's probably this damn avocado oil. Yeah, it's time for you to go in the jar. Throw it in the jar. And this is a lot of damn oil. She added in yoyoba, Jehovah. Measure what? It sound like the yoyoba, but Jehovah. I don't know why I can't pronounce this thing, but I'm usually better at names than that. This is the castor oil. Now I'm gonna use my essential oils, which is peppermint and rosemary. Okay. I got the rosemary. Basically cleaning the glass. I know y'all probably been wanting me to do this for like the longest minute. Was that satisfying? I was about to say, oh my god, this thing back on the back of the spoon. Why do you want to be on the back so bad? Damn. I was just about to do it again, like get on in there. I need you to mix. I mean, either way, she says she lets it sit overnight so all the shredded pieces can dissolve. Oh my god, my hands feel nice. My fingers feel nice. Oh shoot! My hands rubbing together literally feels like clean, like I'm washing my hands with soap, slippery, and moisturized. Pause. Remember, Shade, it's soap for one, and two, you got like 30 milliliters of oil in here for slip and moisture. I just had to laugh at myself for saying this because obviously I had no expectations for this product, and yeah, just bask in my excitement, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, wait, did y'all hear all that stuff I knocked over though? Just to show y'all my fingers? Okay, we back. No, you know what? I'm gonna run it back. This is crazy. Y'all probably think I'm tripping, but like my hand feels really and soft
and supple.
Like, wow, the fingers feel a little rough. Like, okay. She said she puts this on her body. Okay, okay, I see why, honey. Yes. Let's see how this work on my little hand. Okay, so I got this soap. Of course, I'm gonna wash my hand after. I'm not even using water. Like, I'm literally using this thing.
Just a tip, a way to test any products is by rubbing it into your skin and seeing how long it takes for it to melt.
Oh my god, y'all. This is so crazy. Oh, this feels so soft and smooth and clean. I can't keep saying this on repeat if it wasn't true. Like, my hands feel amazing. My hands feel amazing. I wasn't expecting this. Already? Already. It looked greasy, but to me it feels moisturized. It's amazing the way this thing melts. I like that. Incredible. This is crazy. They always tell you test things on your hand first, right? Look at that Curly Proverbs. I don't feel like I need lotion right now. My hands feel really good. Look at that. Oh, hand model-ish.
So this first clip is of me just washing my hair, first lather. And this one is just the second lather, just to really show you guys how good it did and how it suds.
Okay, so you guys made it to the end of the video, and really the overall point of me showing you me washing my hair with it is just to see what it did. More so, I don't know if you guys ever washed your hair with store-bought products, and usually the first lather, because of whatever's in your hair, maybe it's dirty, there's some oily product in your hair, maybe you just put some butter in your hair or something. I'm talking like a moisturizing butter. But usually the first lather of some products, you don't get the suds. It's kind of like when you wash your body with soap. If you have so much oil and dirt on your body, sometimes you don't see the suds. It's just slippery. So I felt like it was good to show you the first lather, seeing that it still suds, because I like suds. I don't know, I like suds. And showing you the second lather to see it's just as many suds, maybe even just a little bit more. But overall, my thoughts on this video is I'm excited. I made my own shampoo. I made my own hair product. I think this was the first one that I've ever made, and I know a lot of us are trying to go Ayurvedic, and this is why I want to give my feedback on it. Because yes, since I've tried Ayurvedic, my hair has never been longer, but also I'm really still trying to figure out what my hair loves. But the thing so let me still talk about what I like about it first. I love how I made my hand still, so y'all saw me talking about it because I was really surprised, because they say you should rub like products into your hand to just see how it felt. I didn't know that before I did this. I don't know, I just put it on my hand for some reason, just rubbed my hands, and my hands felt amazing. So yeah, my hair did not feel stripped, and my hair felt moisturized after washing it. I didn't even feel like my hair desperately needed a product or some type of moisturizer. So I love that about the product. It is fairly easy to make, and I made a lot, so it lasted a really long time, like a store-bought product. Really, the main thing I don't like about this product is just the longevity of it. When I first tried this product, before I started learning a lot more about different types of emulsifiers and preservatives, because y'all will see that I started thinking of ways to create my own type of superfood for my hair, where I just like put a whole bunch of nutritious stuff in my hair and let's just see what it does. But also the main thing is just you want a product that you don't have to shake up all the time. This is what I need from the people out there making Ayurvedic products. Because you guys have been doing this for so long, it would be amazing if you could learn how to, or maybe you already know how to, start using emulsifiers and preservatives, and tell us what's the best ones that you love. And yeah, really just overall, what's the best ones you love, what's the most nourishing ones you have found for your hair, because I did the research. And I would have loved this in a product, because you would see the separation of the oil from the water. So I would have to shake it up. You saw me shake it up in the beginning of me washing my hair, so I would have to shake it up in order for me to make sure that the oil is kind of meshing or mixing with the water. So that's one thing. And then also, I don't know how long it lasts. Like I said, it lasts a long time, so I had it for maybe like a month and a half. I was still using it, not thinking about bacteria, even though I've tried that. My Amla and Brahmi mask, that thing really lasts is only like a week. And I know a lot of these products, people will probably say, well, it's only supposed to last for a week. You're only supposed to make enough for like one application. That, to me, that's not practical. It's not manageable for all the people that maybe want to try going natural. But also, we have lives. A lot of people have a lot of busy schedules. You need something that you can maintain. You need a product you won't have to keep making every week or every other week. So that's the downfall for this product for me, because even though I continued to use it after that month and a half, not thinking about bacteria growing in water, especially because it festers and grows more rapidly in water, that's what they say, I didn't know if it was bad because of the color, so I kept using it. And I didn't notice anything change on my hair. My hair still felt fine. If anything, I have problems with like an itchy scalp. And that's mainly because I go to the gym and I sweat. So my scalp is salty. Maybe that's really the only reason why my scalp is itchy. But yeah, my scalp is just itchy. Yeah, that was about it. But again, we need something that can last long term. So I tweaked this recipe. And I am trying it out first, and then once I try it out with the preservative and the emulsifier, I will record it and show you guys how I redid her shampoo and see if you guys want to give it a try. Like, I really went wild and bought like $400 worth of Ayurvedic stuff. Like, I'm really doing this because I want long, beautiful hair. I want Curly Proverbs hair. Like, I want Eugenia Kelsey hair. Like, I want it. So I invested in that stuff. I'm watching all of their videos, and I'm making my own hair products, but I need to make it with preservatives and emulsifiers because we need something practical that you can use for a while. And once I try this out and my hair loves it, I will share it with you guys so you guys can give it a try. Or you can let me know if you even want me to send you a sample. I'm working on 3 samples for 2 for my cousin, like 2 different cousins, and then 1 for my best friend, just to see if they like it and if their hair loves it. But that's what I'm working on right now, and I can't wait to show you guys. It is messy, but I'm really excited because I keep looking at the products because I'm just like, oh my babies. Like, I'm just so happy about it. I'm really excited about it. I'm just waiting for different stuff. And I'm also testing pH because I'm not seeing Eugenia. I think another one on there is now Curly Mane. I'm not seeing them testing their pH, and apparently that is very important. I watch, Tara Lee, I love your videos. I love your videos so much, and she has taught me so much. Even though her channel is mainly about skin products, it's taught me a lot. There's another black woman out there too. There's a lot of women out there, to be honest, really teaching us about formulations and emulsifying, all of that. But I'm excited to share with you guys the knowledge that I found. Please feel free to try out that shampoo. It is amazing. I love it. My hair loves it, but I need something I gotta shake up, and I know it lasts a long time. That's my final thoughts. Stay tuned while I share the revamped, I guess, like product of the shampoo, the revamped version of the shampoo where it will last longer for you. But I'll let you know once I figure it out and make sure it is perfect, and I'll share it with you guys. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. keep taking care of your hair, figuring out what works for you, because it's a long journey. I mean, we have our hair forever. It's a long journey figuring out what we need to do and what it loves, because it don't talk to us. But I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to see more if you're loving the reviews and just loving my honest opinion, because I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I like to be as honest as I can be. And make sure you like that like button, and I will see you guys in the next one.